Welcome to the realm where innovation know no bounds, where technology define limits. Join us on the extraordinary journey as we develop in the captivating story of Starkware crypto, the blockchain world as a marvelous as it is, faced on the roadblock, scalability, transaction slow to a crawl, fee soared, and the promising of the decentralized future seems distant. But from these challenges emerged a beacon of hope, Starkware. Enter the realm of zero knowledge proof, the enchanting spell powering Starkware innovation, zero knowledge, scalable, transparent, argumented of knowledge. Or ZK Starks are the heart of the Starkware groundbreaking solution. Thinks of ZK Starks as the magical inception. They allow transaction to be verified without revealing the details, ensuring security while maintaining privacy. It's like performing a complex magic trick the only on the blockchain that can understand. Scaling the height of innovation is not easy. Starkware is set out the conqueror by scalability mountains, developing layers 2 solution that would redefine how transactions are processed. Stackware technology allow transaction to be processed off-chain, elevating congestion and a skyrocketing fee. Picture a city of traffic moving seamlessly, thanks to the network of hidden express lane. Starkware impacts chow for the beyond of the blockchain realm. Decentralized finance platform flourish, exciting lightning fast swap and yield farming, while the world of non-fungible token NFT experience a resonance, empowering artists and collectors alike. Decentralized finance and NFT, once hammered by limitations, now soars on the wing of Starkware innovations, unlocking new realm of possibilities. As we sun assessed on technologies, today Starkware pointing a promising dawn for tomorrow. Imagining the world where real world assets are seamlessly tokenized, where decentralized applications run with unprecedented efficiently. Starkware paves the way of path for future, the testnet of the unyielding spirit of innovation that propels the blockchain revolution forward. Subscribe to us as we stand for the threshold of the new era of blockchain technology. Visiting the Starkware website to the dive deep into this emerging and mesmerizing journey. Become a part of crypto transformations. Subscribe us on YouTube and don't forget to like. Have a good day.